Now on the Chinook force, and good morning, good afternoon even. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the RAF Chinook display for the 2011 season here at Waddington. As you mentioned, my name is Jay Berry. I'll be your commentator today, and the aircraft today is flown by Flight Lieutenant Steve Hewitt, Flight Lieutenant Chris Boddy, Master Crewman Mark Bradley, and Master Crewman Bob Sutton of 18 and 27 squadrons. And here they come now to the forward turn. Perform a wing over, followed by a 270-degree quick stop to demonstrate the manoeuvrability of the aircraft. Aircraft they're flying today is Chinook Mark II from RAF Odeon, weighing around 14 tons. They're not too much fueling it at the moment, just so they can perform these manoeuvres. As you can see, it's still highly manoeuvrable, making it an ideal battlefield helicopter. The aircraft is now going to perform the Gorney climb. This is named after the army base in Bosnia, Gorney Vakuf, where the Chinook demonstrated its excess of power compared to other helicopters, allowing it to climb very, very quickly with a large pedal turn. This will be followed by a corkscrew descent, and I'm pretty sure my crewmen will be definitely regretting that fly up about now. Chinook's known for its overcrowd carrying capacity, which can pick up to 10.5 metric tons with reefers. It's also famous the world over for its ability to carry 3 loads simultaneously. Also disappointing for almost low carrying capacity both externally and internally. This low carrying capacity has dramatically makes the aircraft the Afghan. There they come now for the seesaw. Chinook, of course, has become synonymous with Afghan operations, and particularly the casualty extraction of British and foreign militaries, and also local nationals, unfortunately injured by Taliban in place explosive devices. Indeed, between this crew, they completed 26 tours of Afghanistan. Lieutenant Steve Hewitt, the captain today, originally joined as a navigator director from school, completed 2 tours as a navigator, serving in Northern Ireland, Bosnia, the Falklands, and Iraq. He then undertook pilot training at RAF Shawbury, before returning to 18 Squadron in 2006. Chinook is the Chinook Wing Qualified Helicopters Tactics Instructor, the Standards Officer, and the Squadron Standards Officer. Has completed 6 tours of Afghanistan himself. They're now going to come in for the running landing. This running landing is allowed by the Chinook's twin rotors, allowing it to perform its manoeuvre. It also allows a lot more space in the cabin to accommodate several vehicles and up to 40 personnel, even in the hot and high conditions of Afghanistan. People often ask why the Chinook just particularly using the theatre at the moment. We've actually used it in the last week to keep operations conversion flight, and also the pre-deployment training for our operational personnel. It's run over 30 hours in the last week before this weekend. We are using it to its fullest capacity. in Afghanistan, 2 years in Iraq, and a 3-year tour in Northern Ireland. Number 1 crewman at the rear of the aircraft comes into his own. Move the aircraft to one side, you can give him a nice big wake.
Bring down. Bring down.
And just in case you're wondering, that's not his real hand. Crewman that's waving to you there is Master Air Crewman Mark Jim Bradley, who joined the Air Force in 1995. During his first tour, he undertook operational attachments to the Northern Ireland, Bosnia, Sierra Leone and the Falklands. In 2000, he moved to 7th Squadron, continued his under a particularly uncomfortable manoeuvre now, the roller coaster. Having flown in this display myself, I can tell you this feels truly awful. Some of the cockpit views being either just sky or grass, and the whine of the gearbox ringing in the ears. Final crew member, Master Air Crewman Bob Sutton, who's a 41-year-old Yorkshireman, born and bred in Bradford. Joined the Air Force in July 1992 as an aerospace systems operator. Following his helicopter crewman training on the Wessex helicopter RAF, he was posted to Odium to pilot Chinook. He's since served in all 3 of the Chinook squadrons, RAF Odium, including the detachments of Norway, Denmark, Bosnia, the Falklands, Sierra Leone, Botswana, America, Belize, Indian Ocean, Pakistan, Iraq and Afghanistan. Bob has over 4,000 hours on type, is also a crewman trainer, an air gunnery instructor and a qualified helicopter tactics instructor. Currently a crewman training officer for 27 Squadron. A busy man. Now once more coming in to demonstrate the stopping distance of such a large machine in only one of his aircraft lands. 270 quick stop. Ladies and gentlemen, coming towards the end of the display now, we'd all like to thank you for your continued support you give to our servicemen and women. So please give our crew today a big cheer as they wave and give you a bow before turning over the shoulder and coming back in for their final manoeuvre, the blade slap pass. The stroke is also known for its deep bass or waka waka noise, and this will be ably demonstrated to the aircraft departs. Ladies and gentlemen, 2011 Chinook display team, because jet noise is boring.
Just going to ask you one of those quick, silly, naive questions. It's got 2 engines and it's got 2 rotors. Tell me, if it loses one engine, it doesn't suddenly lose a rotor?
No, because those Boeing engines are so powerful, we can actually fly on one engine, and it's as powerful with one engine as any other British helicopter is on 2.
So, and presumably with a very clever gearbox that makes sure that the synchronisation of those propeller blades, rotor blades, sorry, because I mean they are actually intertwining all the time.